My name is Ankit. Today I'm just going to show you a simple chatbot application that I used creating OpenAI API, LangChain, and Streamlit. So the project is called BrainyBytes, a storytelling for smart learning. So basically, how I came up with this application idea is throughout my engineering, even through my masters right now, and while working full time, I always had problem remembering certain concepts or certain um, algorithms, right? For example, and I figured out like I could learn them easily if I kind of create an interesting story out of it. I also used it in my last course, that is cloud computing. So that's how I created it. I have kind of written detailed instructions as to kind of set up the application if you want to use it, launch it on your local, and some other related information. Now this is just the first version of it. I have a lot of ideas which can be implemented. Say for example, we can implement RAG. um, so for example, if you are if you have a particular document, right, you have certain version of definitions or certain version of concepts in that particular document which are different from what is available online, or what a model is trained on initially. So you can use rags, right, where to kind of pull those definitions from your document, or pull that content from your document, and customize your, generate your story according to that, which will be very easy or meaningful for you to learn. Similarly, can have multilingual support for our story responses. We can also personalize it. For example, if I am a math student, it would be ideal, right, for me to remember if things are in like mathematical terms, for example. Um, so a lot of other things. So I'll just quickly go ahead and give you a demo to how to set it up locally on your system. So let's start with the clone command. Um, okay, so we have successfully cloned it. Let's open it on Visual Studio Code. Okay, let me open it on here. Now next thing is we'll set up a virtual environment. This is like a best practice. We should always have a separate environment for our Python applications, so we can test it, or we can keep it. We don't install everything in all the libraries in just one single directory. So okay, I think I'm using a Python 3 version, so I'll have to change it a little bit. Okay, next is if you see, like with this command we have kind of set up a virtual environment, but we have still not activated it. So using this command you can activate it. So you see this, now we are in the using the virtual environment. Let's go to the next command. This command will kind of install all the important libraries required for this project. Okay, while that is being done, we also need to create an env file, and put the generated API open API key in this. You can also use other models, and but the process would be similar. You'll have to generate a key and put it into a env file. I'll copy it from my other project. Okay, so we have the file. I'll destroy the key after this demo, so don't think of using the key. Then we are going to launch our Streamlit application, so let's do that. Okay, so As I said, like I'm a computer science student, so I always have trouble understanding algorithms sometimes. So maybe this tool can help me understand or remember uh, the algorithm better. Thus, I'm just not sure what the spelling is. So okay, this is the spelling. Okay, now I've also given you the an option to send set the length of the story in words. Like right now it's 100. Let's see what happens. You see, now it has first given me a clear definition. Okay, this algorithm is a method used in computer science to find the shortest path between nodes in a graph. Very interesting, right? Now, how would I remember it, right? This is a very simple use case, but say you have like hundreds of algorithms you need to remember. So it created a story. Imagine you're a delivery person trying to find the quickest route to deliver packages below house in the world. Use the magic map that shows you the shortest path to reach each house efficiently. You see, like it's giving in making correlations with real world examples to explain the algorithm. Maybe let's try it with a more detailed story. Maybe I'll set it to 300 words now. Okay, now we see, now it's like creating you like you're in a magical land. There was a young wizard. You see, if you kind of start visualizing it, it it's very easy to remember this particular concept as an example. I also included because this is trained like particularly designed to work for education purpose. If you write something which is absurd, ideally it should not work, but let's see. Oh, okay, it's still explaining because it's considering it as a concept. So this is kind of a short demo. Please let me know if you like this project, or and if you have any ideas to improve it. Thank you. Also, I just wanted to add, like, this is deployed on Hugging Face, so you feel free to test it out. Also, if you find some funny prompts, just do send me those. Thank you.